Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It is a lovely evening here on La Casita Jardin. So we are finally at that stage with the peppers, dwarf peppers I should say, as well as our dwarf tomatoes, to get them into our green stalks that we just set up. You would have seen that like last week or something like that. I can't remember when that one went up. It's been a few days since we've put them up till I was able to get out here to actually plant these guys up. But let me go on ahead and turn you around here. Probably not the best representation. Our peppers are a little wilty from the heat this afternoon, so they're starting to perk up. I've given them a good healthy drink, but we've got some small jalapeno peppers. I've got 4 of those in there. I have some Mad Hatters that you see here, but they are going to be going into one of the beds. But we have the Big Jim Legacy and then the Sneaky Sauce tomato that will be going into the green stalks as well. And I don't know, I've got quite a few left of these San Marzanos here, and they're a semi-determinate variety. So what I am thinking is that I may go on ahead and attempt, and just tempt fate, I may attempt to put them in our green stalks as well, because I'd hate to see them go. So a semi-determinate means that it has a determined amount, a relatively determined amount of fruit and size that it is going to get to. Technically, it is not supposed to be as wild or crazy as, say, an indeterminate tomato, which is the typical varieties that I grow. So it'll be a wee bit of a risk, but I think I'm willing to take it. Oh, we also have a jalapeno that we're going to be putting in, so that's going to be a not so hot jalapeno. So if you do not care for the heat of a jalapeno, there's what you call jalapenos and natapenos, and they are not supposed to have any heat whatsoever. We are going to put some in and experiment and see if that is actually the case this year. I'll have to, of course, let you know on that after they come in. But let me go on ahead and get you set into hyperlapse so that I can start getting all of these plants positioned. Now I went on ahead and I've already started putting in some herbs and flowers at kind of random intervals. I think I need to move this guy up one though. Yeah, I think he kind of needs to go there. And this is primarily, number 1, to draw pollinators, number 2, to help prevent bugs, number 3, to help the plants grow, and number 4, because I like it. I very, very much love interplanting in our GreenStalk Grow Towers. So yeah, flowers and herbs are going to be in there for sure this year. But let me go on ahead and get you positioned and we will get these plants planted, okay? Okay guys, so our green stalks are planted. Now I do have some empty pockets, as you will see here. I'm not overly worried about that at the moment. Honestly, there are things that I can direct seed at this time of the year, so I may go on ahead and top these off with a little bit more of our potting mix and put in some things like nasturtiums, maybe some short zinnia. So we have small zinnias that I can also put in here. I'm not sure that I have enough time for marigold to come all the way to flower, so I probably won't worry about that, but I may see if I can find any in town somewhere. We'll just have to see what happens, but there's definitely things that I can pop in here seed-wise. I could also throw in some heat wave lettuce in here, because as the rest of this grows in, it's going to provide some shade for it. And ironically, this is our green stalk that has our black wax bean, and it has lettuce in it. And our lettuce is doing Jim Dandy, as you can see. There are a lot of people right now that are losing their lettuce, primarily because of the heat. Lettuce does not like heat, but ours in this green stalk, doing it with this tiered method, it's doing amazing. So we are having baby greens salads in the evenings with steaks. Awesome, gotta love it. And I think that's all I've got for you guys for this video. I just have some cleanup that I need to do out here after getting all of the soil out and all the pots out. Part of the gardening, and I'm attempting to be tidy. I'm a very messy gardener. It's not working out real well, but anyway, we'll just see as the season progresses here how I do. But I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for joining us here. As always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. Mwah. Keep on gardening, guys. Bye.